How to find your profile views on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your profile views on TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are there, click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. Now click on the second option, which is privacy, and you're gonna find profile views, which is the last option. Click on it, and here you have profile view history. See who viewed your profile in the past 30 days and allow other people to see that you're viewed there. Only you can see who viewed your profile, but people can see if you viewed their profile. You can turn this off or on anytime you want. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.